Some fun with a Bogota. Okay, got this Abus Titanium from Stu on UK Lock Sports. Cheers, mate. 64 Ti-60. Been trying to SPP it now for a fair bit and I've had no luck. So, we'll try the Bogota. A bit dark this evening. There you go. Yeah, really nice. Can't SPP at the moment though. God knows I've been trying. It's that lovely brass Yale I had. We can't just Bogota one, can we? We're going to do some Bogota, but we might as well do a couple. And there you go. Abus 8560. This is the one, the double, or the key to like. Top of keyword on this one. Of the one that's just gone out for the competition. Got a left-handed pick going, but I ain't trying to left-hand pick it now. Well, not supposed to be that fast. Alright then, just a quick one. Thank you for watching and take care.